Hi there, so we're gonna be installing these two switches. So we wanna put this one is gonna be the dimmer. So it's just black to black. The other one, yeah, we just trim it a little bit so it will be more even. And then the ground. And this one is gonna be just a regular switch. So just to let you know, this one is live, so it has power. So this is the power one, so we're gonna connect that one last. With this little hole, we bend it. We tighten it. We're gonna tighten the screws. You're gonna be counterclockwise. Make sure you do it that way so the wire doesn't go out. This one you have the option to do the back wire over here on this little hole, or you just inserted the wire straight over here, or do it the way that I'm doing it right now. As I told you before, they have the this one is already hot. This one is hot, so yeah. So as soon as we turn it on, the lights are gonna be on. Yeah. And yeah, so we have it on. Okay. And that's, yeah, so that's how you connect the dimmer and the switch. This one we just have to push it in and screw it to the box. But in this case, since we have since the box is so deep, we're gonna use an extension. So that's gonna be to pass the inspection. They require that. So we're gonna do that one in another video because I don't have those extension boxes. Okay.